I got a package from MaggieFrames and I'm really excited to show you what I've got. First up, I've got another hooping station. I really wanted this so that way I can just keep my smaller hoop on this one and not have to keep switching back and forth my fixtures on my other hooping station. And then this is the hooping fixture. I don't have one of these, so I'm very excited about that. This is the 6.9 by 6.9 inch hooping fixture. So the hardware, the little arms for it, and then this, and it goes onto the hooping station. Everything is always so well packaged from them. And then these are the bigger fixtures for the hooping station, which I already have some of these, but I figured it would be nice to get an extra set just in case I do want to put the bigger hoops on this second hooping station. I could see me selling a lot of personalized dog collars, so I thought this would make it really easy and quick to hoop my collars. I've never used a belt hoop before, but I'm sure that it's really easy to figure out, just like everything else from Maggie Hoops. I don't know if you can see. It says, please choose the most suitable metal brackets based on the shape of your current hoop brackets. The other two pairs of brackets are optional for other brand machines in case. So on the back here, it has brackets, and it looks like these are the correct ones for my machine, but they have also included these with it and hardware. So here it is. This is so pretty. Like, this is really, really good quality. It's very sturdy. I can't wait to use this. Also got the smaller set of brackets. But I'm very excited about these too.